Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we make delicious meals that won't break the bank. Today we're making a chicken enchilada casserole. We're going to start with dicing up one red bell pepper. We're going to remove the seeds and the membrane. Dice one yellow medium onion. Cut 12 corn tortillas in half. In a pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up some oil. Oil's hot, we're going to add our onion and bell pepper. We're going to saute this for 6 to 7 minutes. Now after 7 minutes, we're going to add 2 cans of black beans that's been drained and rinsed. 1 can of 1 can of diced green chilies. 1 can of whole corn, 3 cups of shredded chicken, and 2 cups of enchilada sauce, store-bought or homemade. We're going to mix this together. We're going to heat it. We're going to heat it up. Now that it's heated up, we're going to cut off the heat and we're going to set it aside. We're going to spray a 9x13 pan with cooking spray. We're going to pour half a cup of enchilada sauce into the bottom of the pan. Spread it out. We're going to take 8 tortilla halves and line the bottom. We're going to take 1/3 of our chicken mixture, make a mess on the table, spread it on the tortillas. And then we repeat. And then we take the rest of the tortillas and layer them in. And take the rest of the chicken mixture. Another half a cup of enchilada sauce. And then another cup of cheese. In a preheated oven at 375 degrees, we're going to cover and bake for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we're going to remove the aluminum foil and bake for an additional 10. And after 30 minutes, it's time to dig in. And now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That is very good. It feeds 8 people. Cost us right at $22 to make. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.